Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Before updating Chrome, prepare your mobile device for a smooth install. Make sure your device has at least 50% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Check whether your device runs Android or iOS before starting the update steps. Confirm you have at least 100 MB free storage to download and install updates. Close other apps to free memory and reduce interference. Back up any important browser data if you prefer extra caution. Note your current Chrome version from settings to verify the update later. To update Chrome on Android, open the Google Play Store and search for Chrome. Tap the Chrome listing and tap Update if an update is available for your device. If no update button appears, enable auto updates for Chrome and Play Store settings to keep it current. You can also update via Settings app's Chrome app details in store if needed. After the update finishes, restart Chrome and verify the new version in Settings. If the update fails, clear Play Store cache and try again. To update Chrome on iOS, open the App Store and tap your profile icon at the top right. Pull down to refresh available updates and tap Update next to Chrome if it appears. If Chrome does not show an update, free at least 100 MB of storage and try again. Restart your iPhone or iPad to clear temporary issues and retry the App Store update. If updates still fail, delete Chrome and reinstall it to force a fresh install. Reinstalling restores the latest version, but may...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.